Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Dropbox to share brand assets with clients. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw using Dropbox to share brand assets with clients, first, ensure you have a Dropbox account set up. Open your Dropbox app or go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the folder containing the brand assets you wish to share. Select the files or folders you want to share. Click on the Share button located at the right side of the screen. In the sharing options, enter the email addresses of your clients. You can customize the message that will be sent along with the shared link if desired. Choose the level of access you want to give your clients, either can view or can edit. Click the Share button to send the invitation. Your clients will receive an email notification with a link to access the shared assets. Instruct your clients to check their inbox for the email from Dropbox. Once they click the link, they will be directed to the shared folder. They can view and download the assets as needed. If you need to withdraw or stop sharing, go back to the shared folder. Click on the Share button again, and then select Manage Access. From here, you can remove access for specific clients if necessary. Confirm the changes to finalize the withdrawal process. With these steps, you can easily share and manage brand assets using Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.